Do you want to improve your heart health? Well, you're not alone. Heart health is a concern for many, and for good reason. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death worldwide. But fear not, there are many ways to bolster the health of your heart. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 ways to do just that. The first way to improve your heart health is by maintaining a balanced diet. It sounds simple, right? But it's a cornerstone of heart health that many overlook. Consuming a variety of nutritious foods, particularly fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, can drastically reduce your risk of heart disease. It's not about deprivation, but moderation and variety. So next time you're at the grocery store, reach for that bag of apples instead of those chips. Next up, we have regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity on a regular basis is a surefire way to keep your heart in tip-top shape. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a swim in the pool, or a high-intensity interval training session, exercise helps to strengthen the heart and improve circulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 days a week for optimal heart health. Our third tip is to quit smoking. If you're a smoker, kicking the habit is one of the best things you can do for your heart. Smoking damages the lining of your arteries, leading to a buildup of fatty material, which narrows the artery. This can cause a heart attack or stroke, so extinguish that cigarette and take a step towards better heart health. The fourth way to improve your heart health is by managing stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your heart's health, leading to high blood pressure and other heart-related issues. Incorporate stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your routine to keep your heart healthy and happy. Finally, our fifth tip is to limit alcohol. While moderate consumption of certain types of alcohol, like red wine, can have heart health benefits, excessive drinking can lead to high blood pressure, heart failure, and even stroke. So enjoy that glass of wine, but remember, moderation is key. In summary, improving heart health is a multifaceted endeavor involving a balanced diet, regular exercise, smoking cessation, stress management, and moderate alcohol consumption. Implementing these 5 strategies into your daily life can significantly improve not just your heart health, but your overall well-being. Your heart is the engine that powers your body, so let's give it the care it deserves. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and it's never too late to start your journey towards better heart health. Until next time, remember to treat your heart with the kindness it deserves. It's the only one you've got. If you found this video helpful and want to take steps toward a healthier heart, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos on heart health and wellness. We have a wealth of information and resources to help you on your journey towards better health. Also, check out the link in the description below for more detailed information and helpful tips on how to improve your heart health. Remember, every small step you take can make a big difference. So don't wait, start your journey towards a healthier heart today.